I could. I wanted to. I wanted to see if I could look at a customer and the category of furniture, and I want to be able to filter on when furniture was ordered before office supplies by customer, like that scenario.
Okay, so you mean to say this is the customer name.
Customer, yeah.
And I am bringing category here.
Yep.
And then I am bringing order date.
Order date, yep.
Exact date and then discrete. And here it is. Okay, so now you mean to say like this, right? So office, now furniture here, office supplies is ordered before furniture.
Right.
So you want to find all those customers who have ordered.
Yeah.
So now there is another doubt of mine. So in Superstore data, from the starting itself, from the starting, who have ordered before office supplies, right? Like if here there is one more data, right, for office supplies. Let me check that. Somewhere I should be having that. Like more than, now see here, there are multiple office supplies, multiple furnitures, right? So when that is the case, also the first ever purchase he has done, right?
Yes.
Okay, then let's try to solve this. First, I will take a day level custom date at the day level. Indeed, it's a good scenario, Mike. Yeah. So now let me write an LOD. Here I am taking fixed customer name and category. Okay. And here I am taking min of order date. Okay. And now, okay. This is my, okay. Cust cat order. Okay. Now I am bringing this in here. Exact date and then discrete. Now this is giving me my every category. So notice my category level, whatever is the minimum order date that I'm getting. Okay. Now in this, what I will do is I have my customer name, category, and the first ever order date. So now I am taking in this fixed customer name. So furniture, office supplies, and technologies. Okay. Column if category is equal to, I'm separating furniture. Yep. Then cust cat order date. Okay. Now here I'm just taking max. Doesn't matter because it is a single thing. I'm just taking max on directly. Doesn't matter what aggregation we take, but here I'm taking max or min anything. Okay. For min order. Okay. Now I am bringing it in here. Exact date and then discrete. Now again for min order date, I'm duplicating this, and here I am putting here, rather than furniture, I'm putting office. This is my office supplies. I didn't rename it, but this is my office supplies. Now, if whatever you want. Now, if you want those customers who bought furniture before office supplies, then it's just if this less than this, then customer name. Okay, now I am bringing this in. Now see, if he has bought furniture before office supplies, this guy also bought furniture before office supplies. This guy got furniture before office supplies.
Okay. Excellent.
Is that what your requirement is?
Exactly. This works.
Yeah.
That's good. That's a different way than I was thinking, and that works. That's exactly what I need.